Welcome to the heart of precision, where raw timber begins its extraordinary journey to become something soft and essential through the lens of industrial art. The process begins with raw power as mechanical claws descend with clinical accuracy, lifting massive trunks into the first stage of a grand manufacturing symphony. The outer layers of history are stripped away in seconds. Notice the rhythmic rotation as the debarker prepares the wood, revealing the clean core beneath. The air is filled with the scent of fresh pine and the sound of cracking bark as the machine tirelessly cleanses every inch of timber. These steel blades are maintained to a razor's edge, ensuring every cut is uniform for the chemical transformation ahead. In an instant, solid wood is transformed into a deluge of uniform chips. This rapid breakdown is the first step in unlocking the fibers within. The mixture boils under immense pressure. It is a violent, necessary stage that purifies the fibers and removes all unwanted organic materials from the wood. Refining begins here. The pulp is washed and filtered through vibrating screens, catching any remaining impurities to ensure a perfectly smooth and consistent final texture. Chips move like a golden river, flowing toward the next phase of their life. Look closely at the texture. These chips are the raw essence of nature, soon to be distilled into the pure white pulp we use daily. If you've stayed with us through this entire journey, take a moment to like the video and subscribe to Future Flow Factory. Join us as we continue exploring the most fascinating creations where technology and craftsmanship come to life.